Okay, welcome back. We are doing the Universal Yums box. This is the unboxing for October 2022. But what do we got? Ooh, Spain. Right on. So for those that know, every time you get a box, it does come with one of these. It's a little brochure, kind of breaks down different areas or provinces of the area you're going to get your foods. On the back, you get to rate the items. Kind of neat. Let's dig in. Oh, also, you do get this. This is going to be a little book that comes with every one. Little information about the region, questions, comments. Some of the items actually are in a different language, obviously. And so you just match them up with a picture, and you're good to go. As you get to the back, in case you are curious, it does have nutrition guides for everything in the box. Acho. Fried egg flavored potato chips. I've had these before. They weren't from Spain, but literally the exact same bag, so pretty curious to see. It's interesting. Ooh! This is the second one in a row that's come with a drink. This is totally new. Super excited about these. This, I have no idea what it is. But it does have a sticker put on it, so that makes it nice. Apple flavored soda. Nice. Sweet, I'm pretty excited. Alright. Salted caramel dusted truffles. I mean, who doesn't love that? Ooh, huge bag of chips. Mediterranean. Yeah, no clue. It just says Mediterranean chips. Okay, here we go. Potato chips with an olive and anchovy artificial flavor. Ooh, anchovy potato chips. That's going to be different. Lemon and pepper. Potato chips. That sounds tasty. These feel like Cheetos. Feels like Cheetos in the bag. They are honey butter flavored corn puffs. Interesting. Peanut cream. Okay, it looks like a Twix. No. It's continuous little mounds all the way through, full of peanut butter. Okay. Like a crispy wafer cracker, hollow, covered in chocolate, filled with peanut butter. That's a win. Huh. Tiny candies. No idea what that is. Does sound like Skittles. Let's see what else here. We've got naranja, which is an orange. Okay, this is definitely not Spain. Oh, it's got the name on the top. My wife just handed this over. Let's see what we got here. Caramel. White chocolate candy with caramel flavor. Interesting. Reese's peanut butter cups, but not Reese's. Those will go down good. Always a fan of peach rings. Cookies and cream chocolate bar. I've had these before as well. Spicy mangoes, these are good. Sour kiwi. And the Yum bag. Everything. Every box comes with one of these. And it's got an assortment of candy. This one is kind of like a chocolate espresso. And what do we got here? A pistachio. Right on. Well, this here, full haul. This is the Super Yums box for October 2022. Sweet.